Hello guys, today challenge name challenge part 2.
Idishwar,
Nishant,
Nandini,
Naveen,
Niveta,
Nitish Kumar Reddy,
Naveen, Yunesh,
Asha,
Aishwarya,
Avinash,
Anbumani Ramadas,
Ashwin,
Anand,
Aruchami,
Anbarasan,
3, 4, 10.
Ilavarasan,
Ilakya,
Ivasri,